This is the keyless waterproof fingerprint smart lock. Now there are two ways to get into this lock and none of them include a key. You can use an app on your phone or your fingerprint. That's pretty cool, eh? So I loaded just this thumb into it to test it and see if it could actually pick up other fingerprints as well, but it really only works with my thumb. So obviously the fingerprint technology in this works really well. You can also unlock this with your app, but you have to be within Bluetooth distance. I just loaded in my thumb, but you can load up to 16 different fingerprints and manage all those through the app. The app's actually super powerful. You can manage multiple fingerprints and multiple locks all at once. You can even track when a lock has been opened and by who. Now this isn't just some cheap lock, it's made from really high quality steel and feels just as secure as any other padlock that you've got. The battery in this is good for about 1,000 locks and unlocks, but when it runs out, it's got a small USB port on the bottom for charging. And when it does run out of battery, it's not just going to open, it's going to stay closed, which is very important. This is IPX65 water resistant, which means it's going to be sweet outdoors and be able to handle any weather conditions. Unfortunately, this lock only comes in one size. It would be great to have big ones, maybe even a smaller one you could put on your laptop bags to keep it safe while you're traveling or something. But overall, this is a super high quality product. It's really secure and made from really strong materials. The app is fantastic. I gave this thing a 9.5 out of 10. This has been another product review with Thieve. Bye.